Hello everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP. Big up the CoinsKid crew. Thanks to each and every single one of you for being here every day, okay, and taking your time out of your day to watch these videos and obviously provide support in the Patreon and the support in just liking the videos and sharing the videos with your family and friends. Thank you very much. So everything I do on this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only, okay, and nothing I say is financial advice. Please do remember that. So right now, you know, straight off the bat, XRP, you can see it's adhering to market structure. It's looking for continuation. You know, if you're not familiar, we do have price projections up here. We've got a projection of $8.39, $13.31, and the blow off top at 27.23. Okay, providing we adhere to this structure and this parabolic curve, this way you'll see us reach that particular target for XRP in this bull run. So right now, you know, you've come up and you're retracing basically to a key level support for continuation. You can see how overextended from the EMAs you are. Okay, even the daily 20, this yellow line here, you're very overextended. You can see if you was to have a correction, you would come back to its support like you always do. Look, like I've shown you so many times. Look, you're overextended, what do? 20. Overextended, 20. In this particular extension, you was that overextended that you fell through the EMAs and you had a whopping ABC correction. Okay, you found a key level support, you actually retraced to 0.50, which I've shown you. Again, you retraced this green trend line, you didn't lose it as support, and you adhered to it as support because of previous level resistance. You're back testing and turning support. That's amazing, you know, and in the future we project that XRP will find a level of support, it'll start to pick up, it'll break its level of resistance, you know, you're going to break the highs and you're going to be looking at coming up and back testing this green trend line in the future as support, as you did break this green trend line, come up, hit this green trend line, created a level of resistance, come back to this green trend line as support. Okay, so it's all about support and resistance. That's all it is, it's support and resistance. So right now on the daily time frame for XRP, you know, not financial advice, but I am anticipating a dump here. Okay, and if you watch today's Bitcoin video, it's absolutely playing out like a boss, playing out to a T. You know, I don't know why anyone else doesn't see it, but it's my job to help you see these things. And you know, it doesn't mean it has to happen, but it's like I've got a cheat sheet for you. Okay, and like I said to you, I've got a cheat sheet here for XRP as well. As long as you adhere to market structure, you're looking at continuation. Even if you fall back, you know, even if you have these corrections, you're adhering to market structure. You're not losing any market structure here, and you're retracing to key levels of support. So right now, straight off the bat, you've got a level of support just there, a horizontal level of support for XRP, okay, and then you've got a horizontal level of resistance, a descending triangle. Now, obviously, I've shown you before, if you lose support, you've got a technical target to the downside. Look, lose support, you've got a technical target down to here, around about 80 cents. Do you see that? So you could have a whopping correction here, and obviously if you break the resistance, you're looking at continuation and coming back up to this high. And like I said to you, once you break that high, you're looking at a beautiful breakout to the upside, to this green line at least, okay, and retrace to the local high here, because actually off this you've got a beautiful impulsive wave which you're forming. I'll show you right now. You know, you're looking for a beautiful $4.57, okay, which is equally a massive impulsive wave up off this high as soon as you break it, because this is an impulsive wave which is starting to form right now. Okay, break the high, you're looking at a $4.57, and equally with that, let me show you as well, you've got a massive cup and handle pattern on the weekly. For those of you who are not familiar and you're watching the XRP videos for the first time today, I'll always remind you, okay, so you're broken out of this cup and handle pattern just there to remind you. Look, you're broken out of this cup and handle pattern. When you broke this green resistance just there, this level of resistance, look where you came up to. You broke this level of resistance just there, creating this big whopping handle, came back on resistance, back into the resistance of this trend line, sorry, and once you broke it, you had that technical target up there. Look, boom, target met. Do you see that? So that was fantastic, and that's where you created another level of resistance. You ran into the technical target of a large cup and handle. So with that, in doing so, you've created another large cup and handle. Okay, so you've got another basin, look, massive basin. This was your original one, came back to support like that in your handle, come back up, broke it, see you later. Okay, boom. And with that, in doing so, you've created another large cup and handle like this. Okay, boom, 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 boom. Coming back, creating a level of resistance. Okay, support. You're coming up right now and chip chop sideways, but as soon as you break this level of resistance, which is a technical target off this impulsive wave up to $4.57, you will also equally be in another technical target of a massive cup and handle pattern from that level of resistance there down to that trend line there, and you were breaking out, and you can see pretty much when you break out, look, wherever it is, boom, technical target, the golden ratio, basically. It all works in waveform, so you've got a lot of confluence there to say that you're going to get to that, providing you hold key level support. You're looking at continuation in all of this noise before you get to your journey. Okay, so with that, you would be breaking the all-time high for XRP just here. Whenever you break out of this level of resistance, this green trend line, this high. And you know what? It's all about breaking this high at 135. As soon as you start to see this high broken at 135, you equally have another technical target off another cup and handle which you've formed, which I told you about. Okay, I'm trying not to confuse you. Okay, I'm trying not to confuse you, but you've got another cup and handle which I gave you when you was down here. Okay, I said to you, look, you're going to come up, create a buy and go to the beat signal, you're going to run into a level of resistance like you did, everyone's going to shit themselves thinking we're going into the bear, you're going to come back, create a beautiful little handle, wherever you come back to, start to come up, break this high at 135, and you've got a technical target of a cup and handle pattern here for XRP and continuation of the bull. So from there to there, okay, your level of resistance to support, there, you break that handle, you break that 135, you already in a technical target. Not only that, you're in a technical target of this impulsive wave from here to here. Okay, you're an impulsive wave to, I think, is it 150 or something? So you're really getting the party started, but you are breaking a key level of resistance of a cup and handle, and with that you are looking at continuation and breaking $2.21. You're breaking this high, you're breaking this green trend line, you're on your way to $4.57 in this bull market. Okay, so all this that's happening right now is chip chop noise before continuation. Okay, and that's what it is. Even this was look, coming back, creating this larger handle was part of the process of creating a handle for a big massive level of resistance, for a cup and handle pattern. Don't ask me how it works, but it works in waveforms. Okay, and you can see that each time you retrace to a beautiful key level support, the 050, which I've gone through with you multiple times. Okay, so worst case scenario, like I said to you, let me get rid of these fibs. Okay, let me get rid of this fib. So explain to you that those people that are new to this channel, it's like I've got a cheat sheet. So you're retracing, right? If you retrace down now to a technical target, look, if we fall out of this descending triangle and you've got a technical target to the downside, why are you retracing to? You're retracing to the 050, okay, which is where you've retraced to the whole way. You retraced to the 050 retracement. This was the 050. Let me show you. Okay, so on the weekly, switch to the weekly, you can see it better. So basically you retraced from this previous impulsive wave up. Look, because let me show you right now. Look, where did you find support? 050. Let me move this across. Boom, you found support on the 050 like a boss. Look, boom, 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 before you form the next impulsive wave, which you are. You're in an impulsive wave to the upside. Break this high, you got a technical target 450. Yeah, really is that simple. You got a technical target from here to here, which you met on the nose. Look at that, on the nose. So you came up impulsive, corrective, impulsive wave up, broke the high. Where did you get to? The 1618 at $2. Boom, job done. Okay, right now you're forming another retracement wave, which you've done. You've retraced the 050, and right now you're forming a new impulsive wave from there to there. Again, I remind you, is $4.57. So you're on your way. Do you understand that? So until you lose market structure, you're still well within the realms of getting to these price forecasts that I have laid down in the channel of $4 plus, which breaks the all-time high, which really does get the party started there for XRP. Okay, and which point you could see it go absolutely parabolic at that point. Okay, so yeah, it's just a little summary of why I've got my forecast. But I do anticipate that if we do have a dump, it's perfectly healthy. You retrace into the 0.50 at 83 cents, and that would tie in with this correction that I am seeing on Bitcoin as well. And Bitcoin is just a rinse repeat pattern of what it's done before. Okay, and I just want to assure you that it is perfectly healthy moving forward. That if we do have that retracement, potentially again you're forming a massive big cup and handle pattern. Look, you're coming back on yourself like this to a key level support, boom, 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 break out, break this 136, 135, whatever it is, you're looking at continuation. Okay, so that's XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. It might get a little bit choppy. You might not even see a correction, but I'm just making you aware that if it does do it, it's perfectly healthy. And right now you are forming a descending triangle on the daily time frame here for XRP. You're coming very close to an apex, so you're going to get a break relatively soon. We're coming into dumpy September, and you can see that pretty much the technical target of the descending triangle is the 050, which is a nominal retracement, on the fibs when you do retrace. So that's XRP. Failing that, if you do break out here, this level of resistance at this apex that you're now coming towards, you're looking at a retest to the side, break that eye, you're looking at continuation, you're looking at beautiful impulsive wave and getting the party started for here. And it was a very, very small handle. Okay, that's XRP. Take care, everyone. Hope you enjoyed the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.